Today I'm going to show how to replace a battery in a multimeter. Basically, a multimeter normally what electronics hobbyist or any professional will use will something look like this. So usually the batteries which will be used is a 9-volt battery. The 9-volt battery is something looks like this. Maybe you get a alkaline battery as well as some batteries with the lower cost of some 40 to 50 rupees it will cost. So once you open a back protective cover, you have two screws here. So let's unscrew those screws. I have opened it. See, if you look into this, there are some of the things which I will tell you what are the things which is there here. This is a battery terminal connector where the battery gets connected, and this is a fuse where if fuse is blown out, it's basically for a voltage purpose where it is rated with 200 milliamps and 250 volts. Usually this 250 amps which comes to this terminal. More than 200 milliamps, it gets fused out and you may have to replace this fuse. At that point of time, maybe you will not be able to measure any voltages, resistance, or any of the other functionalities. Basically, it will act like a open circuit. So if it is on 10 amps, so 10 amps is usually this terminal. So this doesn't have any fuse kind of a thing. It's a metal piece which is connected here. So it straight away measures the current which is passing. Let me connect a new battery here. See if it is powered up. Yeah, we can see that it's working fine. This is basically a buzzer which works for checking the continuity and other stuff. Let's close the enclosure. Let's do an basic testing whether the multimeter is functioning or not. Let me take the pros. Recently, I brought a new multimeter probe from one of the website which supplies electronic for the hobbyist. So the probes are very good quality and it's quite lengthy what came from the multimeter. Basically the cable got damaged, so I had to bring a new cable. So let's see, I have kept it in a buzzer. Yeah, I'm able to hear the voice. Maybe I can see that. Let me check some AC power supply terminals. I'm connecting it to one of the sockets here. Okay, it's measuring around 249 volts. So it's look like the multimeter is back to life again. We put back the casing. Thank you for watching. If your multimeter is having battery low issue, you can replace your multimeter in the same way. So don't forget to keep your multimeter off once you are done with the usage, so that you will not run out of the batteries, and it may be useful for you to not to replace the batteries too many times.